Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Reflect Mini Noise Cancellation earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to remember to charge at least to the 50% this earbuds before the pairing. And right now I can recommend you to simply open the case and just take a look right here on this small indicator inside. When it's not blinking quickly, it means that we have to move this earbuds to the pairing mode to get them visible to other devices, right? As you can see right now, they are start blinking quickly after a few moments. But if you still have a problem that they are not blinking quickly and they are not visible to your phone, you have to keep that case open, keep them inside, and find this button on the back of the charging case. And you have to click on it twice, just like that. After a few seconds, this indicator on the front will start blinking quickly, just like that. And after that, we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone, click to pair new device, you have to take a look on the available devices and right now just select your headset. So click once, accept the pairing request, and right now we are connected, but we have to complete another step. We have to open the Play Store, click on the search pool, type JBL headphones. We have to get this application, and when we get this app, we'll enable more features of this earbuds. For example, we'll be able to adjust the sound equalizer, the power on and off option, and a few other things. Okay, right now just open. Click to get started. We have to accept all of these permissions that pops on the screen, and as you can see, when we previously connect them by using the standard Bluetooth settings, they will be already in the application. You can skip this quick guide, and there it is. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected with our headphones, with our earbuds and the Android smartphone. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.